Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Samsung Galaxy A9 2018 to Huawei smartphone, for the first you have to enter Google Play Store on your Samsung. On the search, type phone clone. It is the name of the application that we are going to use to transfer data. Click on the install. And right now on P40, on the Huawei, we can open this application. And right now we are awaiting for the Samsung and it is ready, so click on the open, tap on the agree, choose this is the old phone, enter the settings to get access to the location, go back to your app, click old phone again, and right now we have to accept all of these notifications. Okay, and click this is the new phone on your Huawei smartphone. And right now we have to choose the type of the old smartphone. So this is the older Android. Click on the next. And right now we can scan the QR code to connect. And right now we have to wait because our smartphones are connecting. Okay, and as you can see, here we can select data, and if you want to take everything from the Samsung to Huawei, you have to click on the select all, but this is only example, so right now I will go probably for the photos, and I will take those two screenshots, click on the OK again, and to confirm tap on the transfer, and as you can see it's finished. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and of course subscribe to our channel.